Hello friends, welcome back to Image Graphia. In our previous video, we saw the MVC architecture of AngularJS. In today's video, we'll see a very basic program that is written in AngularJS so that you guys get a very rough idea of how the coding looks like. Well, before getting started, I would like to remind you all that I told you in the first video that there are two basic requirements to turn an HTML document into having or containing AngularJS components. Well, the first requirement is we should have the script file included in our HTML document. The script file can be downloaded from the angularjs.org website, and you have to download it into a local machine and place it in the folder from where you want to run your project. Well, here we have to just include the script file that is inside the script tag of the HTML document. Script src, that is the source, is equal to, you have to provide the path of your script file. That's it. Coming to the body section. If you can see here that this is a very simple HTML document which has the declaration, the HTML tag, opening tag, the head, the body and the HTML closing tag. A very simple HTML document. Well, if you can see, I have taken two divs inside the body tag. The first div which has an ng app directive and the second div does not have it. Well, coming to this, ng app directive, if you remember, I told you, is the most basic directive which tells the web browser that inside the scope of it, whatever is written needs to be rendered as AngularJS components. Well, you can see one more new thing here, that is something written inside the curly braces. Well, let me tell you, anything in AngularJS which is written inside the curly braces is considered to be as expressions. What are expressions? It is simple text that is evaluated and the result is printed exactly where we have placed the expression. Okay, the same thing, sum equals to inside the double curly braces 20 plus 30 can also be written in one more way, that is using ng bind directive. We'll learn about it in our coming videos. Well, for the time being, you can see that we have an expression included here, sum equals to inclusion of the expression 20 plus 30. And in the next div, we are not using any ng app. Okay, it is a simple text that is written in HTML. If you can see one more thing, that is we have ng app equals to and then the double quotes. We do not have anything mentioned inside it. Okay, for the time being, you guys know that we haven't created any module as such now. Hence, we will just write ng app and then the double quotes. If we have any modules, we will write modules in our coming sections, and if we want to include any particular module for a particular division, then we can include the name of the module here, ng app and the specific module name. That should serve our purpose. Well, if we run this code, then you can find out that this particular, the first div will give you the output as sum equals to 50. Okay. The second div, the div without the ng app, will give you the output as sum equals to double curly braces 20 plus 30. If you guys are wondering why is there a difference in the output, then you can clearly state that the answer is because of ng app. Without using ng app, anything written inside the div will be simply considered as a pure HTML text and will be delivered as it is. The moment the browser finds out that there is an ng app and any expression that is written inside the scope of this ng app will be rendered, will be evaluated as an expression, and the result will be printed exactly where we have placed the expression. So the output will be sum equals to 50 and the second output will be sum equals to whatever is written, however it is written. So this was a simple and a very basic code. Please guys go and try out, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment box, and we will come back with more of AngularJS in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned and keep learning. Bye bye.